In this video, I will tell you about adding title block to the AutoCAD drawings. So right now we have these drawings and the layouts without any title block or other information, and you can add your title block directly to the layouts by making them on these empty areas. So you can use this draw panel and modify panel to make new drawings here. You can add that using line, polyline and different commands. But there is also a different way by which you can import the already made title block templates. So we have a title block on the desktop. I have it here. I have already made this title block and I'll use it in this video. So let's go back to the drawing and we'll insert that title block. So to insert the title block, I'll go to this insert tab and I'll click on this insert button and select more options. Now click on browse and locate the title block. So we have it here on the desktop. Now click on open. With the default settings, I'll click on OK. And here we have it. The title block is now added. So carefully place it within these plotter margins. And here we have it. Right now, this title block has been made specifically for A3 paper size. And that's why it's fitting completely within these boundaries. But in order to have title blocks for different paper sizes, you need to make them, or you can also scale any one title block for different paper sizes. Now in this case, this is a block, and in order to use it properly, you need to explode it. So I'll select it and then I'll type X and press enter. So that will explode it, and now we can modify different parts of the title block, or we can add more information. Similarly, if you go to the elevation here also, if you want to add it, now you can simply go to this insert and select the title block from this list. Here we have it because we have already added it once. Select it, specify the base point, which is somewhere over here, and we have the title block and all the other information within this drawing. AutoCAD also has some ready-made title blocks for you, and these are available with the drawing templates. So if you want to use those templates with title block, simply go to this plus icon right beside the layout tabs, then right click and select this from template. Now this will open this template window, and here you can select the template which has title block. For example, here we have the Imperial Architectural template on which we have the title block. Also we have the manufacturing template, the metric architectural and metric manufacturing template. So I'll select this Imperial Architectural template, click on OK, and we have this new D size layout added here. So in this case, obviously the plot size is different, the paper size is different, and the viewport is here. We have this object here. In order to see this clearly, you need to first unlock it. So I'll just select this, then I'll right click, I'll go to display logged and I'll select no. Now double click inside and here we have it. Now we can move it here in this drawing area, double click outside, and we have it just like simple drawing. And we also have this title block. Here also you can select it and explode it once. And now you can modify different fields of this title block, but you need to change the paper size because in this case we don't know the paper size of this title block, and it will be set according to the template. So for now, I'll simply erase this D size layout. So this was all about inserting our own title block and other information in AutoCAD drawings.